Good morning to all. In today's section, we are going to learn the sum of the first n terms of AP. First, we have to write the equation. What is the sum of the first n terms of AP? The equation is S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. This is the equation for finding the sum of the first n terms of an AP. Yes, we denoted the sum as Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is the number of terms and a is the first term and d is the common difference. Then second case, here the first term and the last term are given. We use another equation, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Here a is the first term and n is the last term. I repeat, the equation for finding the sum of the first n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is the number of terms, a is the first term and d is the common difference. And in the second case, the first term and the last term are given. If we use this equation, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. Is clear? Then next we are going to understand through an example. First example is find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP that AP is 8, 3, minus 2, etc. Here we are going to find out the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP. The AP is 8, 3, minus 2. Here the sum of the first 22 terms. So n is 22. Solution, n is equal to 22. The next we need the first term and the common difference. Here the first term is 8, so write a is 8 and the common difference is the second term minus first term. So d is equal to 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. Now here I am going to find out the first 22 term for using the equation. Yes. Then first of all, we can write the equation. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 22. So S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 2 into. Here a is 8 plus 22 minus 1 into d is minus 5. Okay, next is S22. S22 is equal to 22 by 2 is 11 into 2 into 8 is 16 plus 22 minus 1, that is 21 into minus 1. Then 11 into 60 plus into minus is minus 21 into 5 is 105. 11 into 16 minus 105 is minus 89. Our answer is minus 979. So the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP is minus 979. Is it clear? Then second question. One more question. The second question. Find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. Here, now we are going to find out the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. So here from sum of first 1000. So let us take S is equal to sum of the first 1000 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 1000. Here the first term is first term and the last term are given and the n sum of first 1000 terms. So n is 1000. So we have to use the second equation, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Sum of the 1000 terms means S1000 is equal to n is 1000 by 2 into first term is 1 and last term is 1000. So 1000 by 2 is 500 into 1 plus 1000 plus 1 is 1001. So our answer is 500. 5 lakh 500. Our sum of the first 1000 positive integers is 5 lakh 500. Is it clear? So today in this section we are discussed about the equation for finding the sum of the first n terms of an AP. So the equation is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is the number of terms, a is the first term and d is the last term. When the first term and the last term are given, we use another equation, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Here a is the first term and l is the last term. So I am going to wind up this section. Thank you and have a nice day.